Okay, so here's where we've opened up the thoracic cavity, and you can see the right lung here, the heart, and you can pinch it and see that it's in a bag, the pericardial sac, and here's the left lung over here. Each lung is in lobes. In the cat, the left lung has 3 lobes that you can see clearly. The right lung looks like it has 3, but there is a 4th lobe. We're not going to need to learn that. We're just going to learn the 3 of each. And so you should be able to name superior lobe, middle lobe, and inferior lobe of each lung. Okay? Lastly, where did mine go? Oh, there it is. The last thing that we found in terms of organs was the thymus gland, which was sitting like this over part of the heart and up through the center of the thoracic cavity. We took the thymus gland out, and then we could see the blood vessels here in the cat. So why don't you stop there?